Hello and very good morning, students of class 6D. I hope you all are well. My dear students, we have just finished chapter number 1, that is computational thinking. And now, yesterday, I have sent you the little video of chapter number 2, that is computer languages. So, dear students, first of all, I want to know, do you have any problem in chapter number 1, that is computational thinking? Do you have any problem? Dear students, do you have any problem? Huh? Tell me, do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Confirm. So now, yesterday we have started the new chapter, that is computer language, that is chapter number 2. So I hope you have bring the book by your own. So I just want to know that how many of you buy the books? कितने लोगों ने books buy कर ली हैं? Tell me.
Sir, I have bought.
Okay. All of you, I think, buy the books, right?
Yes, sir.
So our second chapter is chapter number 2, that is computer language. Now, first of all, I want to know the chapter number 2. I'm going to start today chapter number 2, that is computer language. Okay, dear students, I want to know, what do you know about and what do you mean by computer language? बता सकते कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज क्या होती है? Can anyone tell what is computer language? कोई भी किसी को कुछ भी पता हो? If you know anything. Dear students, just like that, I'm going to explain it. My dear students, you know that me and you, suppose my name is Siddharth. So suppose Siddharth is talking with few of you, all the students. Okay. Suppose I'm take the name of any student, that is Gyan. I take the name is Gyan. Gyan is my student. Okay. Gyan. Okay. He's a boy of St. Francis Xavier Inter College, class 6D. So Gyan is talking with Siddharth. Okay. So definitely we can talk with each other. Gyan is talking with Siddharth, and Siddharth is talking with Gyan. They use some language. Okay. This language would be English, Hindi, whatever it is. Okay. The language would be English, Hindi, and any other language like French, German, whatever the language is. But now we have only used English and Hindi. Both two languages we can use, okay, for communication. That means these are the languages through that we can understand each other. Okay, we can understand each other's views, each other's ideas. हम इन्हीं इंग्लिश और हिंदी के थ्रू ही अपने आइडियाज और व्यूज को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. एंड आई मेनली यूज इंग्लिश टू टीच यू. This is the way I have expressed, and these are the similar thing is happened to you also. You only explain your things in English and Hindi language, and this is how we have to interact with each other. So this is called language. This is called language. Okay. So if anyone asks what is language, so language is a method. So what is language? If anyone asks what a language kya hai, what is language? What is language? You can say a language is a method of showing your ideas and views.
Excuse me, sir.
A language is a method of showing your ideas and views. Okay. अपने आइडियाज को एक्सचेंज करना है, या शोइंग, और यू कैन से दैट शोइंग, और यू कैन से एक्सचेंज है ना. exchange. That means we have to communicate with each other. Okay. Suppose this is me and you. Suppose this is Siddharth.
Dear parents, principal ma'am.
And this
Dear
is
parents.
Gyan. I'll take one example, student only. There's no problem in this. Okay. There are two students. Okay. Suppose if Siddharth said hello. Siddharth says hello. So I use English language. Okay. I use English language, and through this language, Gyan understand. I say hello. I said hello. Then what will Gyan says to me? Gyan क्या कहेगा सिद्धार्थ को? He also says hello sir. What did he say? What did he say?
Hello, sir.
Hello sir.
Hello, sir.
Look, this is called communication, and I'm doing this communication with the help of language. Okay. So there are many languages like English, Hindi, and you can say French, German, Spanish, Chinese. All these are languages. Okay. So these are the languages through that we have to exchange our ideas. Are you got the point?
Yes.
But
Yes,
all
sir.
these languages. Okay. So my dear student, all these languages are used by humans because we all are humans, right? We all are humans. We all are what? We all are humans. We all are humans. So we use these languages like English, Hindi, and French, German. But in case of computer, computer is a human or machine? Tell me.
Machine.
As we know, computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Okay. So definitely computer cannot understand English or Hindi. As we know that computer is a machine. So it cannot understand human language. You know that computer is a machine, so it cannot understand human language. That means it cannot understand English, Hindi, French, German. Okay. So computer have its own language. Computer had its own language. Okay. So this language is called
Computer language.
computer language. The language that computer can understand is called computer language. Tell me, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
that we all are humans, so we have our language. So a computer has its own language. Okay. So computer basically understand one language. There are many types of languages, but in terms of computer, there are mainly two types of language. Okay.
Yes,
In
sir.
computer, there are mainly two types of language. The languages are in case of computer have two types of languages. Computer have
Two type of languages.
mainly
Two
two types of language.
Sir, we have to write this or not?
You don't need to write, you need to understand only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
First
sir.
language is low level language.
Okay, sir.
Second is high level.
Language.
Language. Language.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Low level language. Second is high level language. So computer can only understand these two types of language, low level language and high level language. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Computer has mainly two types of language, low level language. It is in short,
High
it is
level
called
language.
LLL, low level language. In short, it is called LLL, L, L, and L. Okay. In high level language, it is called H, L.
HLL.
High level language and low level language. I hope you can understand. Any doubt?
Yes, no, sir.
Very good. These are the language that computer can understand. You want to write, you can write it. Okay.
No, sir. Okay, sir.
I think you got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, understand now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, my dear students.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now let's start. Let's do another thing. I'm just going to send you this pic as well. Just wait for a second. Today's date is 12, right?
12. Yes, sir. 12.
Okay.
12.
Just wait for a second. Student, do you have any doubt in this? So if I'm asked
No,
how many
sir.
types of computer language,
No, sir.
what you will
No,
say?
sir. Two types. Two
Name
types of
Name them.
language. Low level computer language. High level language.
Low language, high language.
Very good, student. And in short, high level language, in short, it is called HLL. Okay. What we have called? What we have to call, beta?
HLL. HLL.
Okay.
Hello.
You can see that in a short, low level language is called LLL and high level language is called
HLL.
HLL. Very good, student. Now let's understand. Let's understand what is low level language. I send you the pic as well. Now, dear student, let's understand what is LLL.
Yes.
What is LLL?
What is LLL?
LLL is basically a low level language
Low level language
which is mainly
which is
used machine language. Low level language is a low level language which is mainly used machine language. So my dear student, now question comes, what is machine level language? Machine level language क्या होती है? Okay. So low level language, and it is very difficult to understand. It is difficult to
understand.
understand.
Stand.
Low level language is very difficult to understand. इसको समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. That is why low level language, which is mainly used machine language, it is very difficult to understand. Okay. इसको समझना बहुत difficult होता है. Why it is very difficult to understand? It only use machine language. Only use two symbols. Two digits. You can say 0 and 1. मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज में खाली दो ही डिजिट्स का यूज होता है, 0 and 1. That's why it is called low level language. Okay, yeah, LLL. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So students, if anyone asks,
Yes, sir.
low level language, what you have to say? Low level language, which mainly use machine language. It is very difficult to understand. Machine language only use 2 digits, 0 and 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now,
sir.
now, my dear students, I want to know, my dear students, that there are 2 types of machine language. There are 2 types of low level languages. There are further 2 types of low level languages. There are 2 types of machine languages. But first one is there are 2 types of low level languages actually. First one is machine language. Second is assembly language.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the point? There are mainly 2 types of languages.
Yes, sir.
That is
Two
machine
types
language.
of
Second is
language.
assembly language.
Machine language, assembly language.
So how many types of machine language? How many types of low level languages? They are mainly 2 types of low level
Two types of low level
language and assembly language.
Types
Any doubt?
assembly language.
Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Now, in the similarly, the next question is, what is high level language? What is high level language?
High level language.
Because these languages is called high level language as it is easily understand by us. This language is called high level language as it is easily understand by us. इसको हम लोग easily understand कर सकते हैं. This language mainly use English like sentence, which is easy to understand. Understand. This language is mainly used beta English like language. That means this language only used means English like structure. So no problem with it, because we all know familiar with English. So like Python, Java, C, all these languages use English like structure. So this is very easy to understand. That's why high level language are very easy to understand. So example of these languages are, there are many languages are of high level languages category. Examples are C, C++, Java, Python. You can say any two. Ruby on Rails, Ruby, Android, iOS, कोई भी नाम ले. All these languages comes under what? Etc. are called high level language, because it is used the English like structure, and you know we all are very familiar with this English and this type of language. So that's why this is called high level language. My dear student, I hope you can understand what is low level language, what is
Yes, sir.
high level
Yes, sir.
language. So do you have any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, my dear student. So if I can ask, can you answer it? How many types of language?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many types of
There are
language?
2, sir. 2.
Name them.
2.
कौन-कौन सी है? नाम बताइए.
Low level, high level, languages, low level languages.
Okay, beta. So what are, how many types of low level languages? Low level languages are further 2 types, right?
Sir.
Huh?
2, sir.
Name them.
Machine language, assembly language. Assembly language.
Very good, beta. Very good. Very good. Very good. And how many types of high level language? High level language are many types, right?
Yes, sir.
Give examples of high level language.
Android, iOS, and Java, C++. Python, Java, C++.
Okay, that means you can understand that computer language are of many types. So I think you have understand this thing very well. So my dear student, from
Yes,
this
sir.
I just say hi, bye to all, and I hope you will complete the work and meet me on tomorrow. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Have
Yes,
a nice
sir.
day. Have a great life. Bye, dear students.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Sir.